Air shows are meant to inspire. Precision flying, roaring engines, and impossible maneuvers, all performed just meters above the ground. But when something goes wrong, it goes wrong fast. In this video, we examine 5 real aircraft crashes, all caught on camera. Some involved experienced military pilots. Others featured civilian performers with thousands of flight hours. In each case, what began as a controlled display ended in catastrophe. From a Brazilian Air Force jet that dove without warning, to a Soviet MiG that struck the ground, caught fire, and tried to climb again, to a fatal biplane crash in front of thousands at a US airbase. Every one of these incidents unfolded in seconds and left no room for correction. There were no enemy missiles, no sabotage, just gravity, speed, and the unforgiving limits of flight. These aren't simulations. These aren't Hollywood reconstructions. They're real. Real aircraft, real pilots, real consequences. And they serve as a stark reminder of what's at stake every time wheels leave the ground. June 29, 2013, Finofurt, Germany. At the heart of a rock and roll themed festival known as Race 61, thousands gathered to enjoy vintage cars, drag racing, and live music. But without warning, the day turned deadly. A Czech-built Sleen 526 aerobatic aircraft, flown by a 47-year-old pilot from Berlin, was performing low-level maneuvers. The flight was unauthorized. No airshow was scheduled. And yet, the aircraft flew inverted, just meters above the crowd. Then, silence. The engine lost power during the inverted pass. Investigators would later find that the small collector fuel tank had run dry, a known limitation during extended inverted flight. With almost no altitude to recover, the pilot tried to roll the plane upright, but it was too late. The right wingtip struck a solar panel, shattering it on impact. The aircraft flipped violently and slammed into the ground, crashing upside down just beyond the drag strip. The pilot died instantly. No one on the ground was harmed, but it was a near miss. The official investigation found no mechanical failure. Instead, fuel starvation, low altitude, and a reckless maneuver, flown without authorization in a plane not certified for aerobatics with tip tanks installed. This wasn't just an accident. It was a fatal error in judgment, and it was caught on camera. April 2nd, 2010. A training flight in southern Brazil was about to become one of the darkest days in the history of the Smoke Squadron, Brazil's elite military aerobatics team. Captain Anderson Amaro Fernandes, 33 years old, was piloting an AT-26 Javante jet. A skilled aviator with over a decade of service, Fernandes had flown countless missions and shows across the country. But that morning in Lagos, Santa Catarina, something went wrong. Footage shows the jet breaking formation, then descending rapidly toward the ground. There was no ejection, no mayday, just a sudden dive and impact. The crash was fatal. Captain Fernandes died instantly. No one else was injured. The Air Force launched an immediate investigation. The aircraft was old, a design from the 1960s, but had flown without incident for years. Was it a mechanical failure, a control issue, or a split-second misjudgment during a low-altitude maneuver? To this day, the exact cause has never been publicly confirmed. But what sets this incident apart is that it wasn't just a tragic loss, it was seen. The moment of impact was caught on video and burned into the memory of every pilot who watched it. A display team built on precision, discipline, and trust, shaken in a single instant. During an air show in Hungary, A Soviet-built MiG-23 was filmed performing a low-altitude pass in front of spectators. But something went wrong. Footage from 2 different angles shows the aircraft descending too far. It strikes the ground with its underside, instantly igniting a fire. Instead of crashing immediately, the burning jet climbs back into the air. It's not a recovery, just momentum. Seconds later, the damage takes its toll. The aircraft loses control, rolls, and crashes for the second time, this time explosively. The pilot never ejected. He died on impact. There was no technical malfunction, no weather issue, no outside interference. Just a misjudged maneuver, likely intended to impress the crowd, that left no room for correction. The MiG-23 was known for its power, but also for its unforgiving flight characteristics at low speed and altitude. In this case, one error led to a chain of events that could not be stopped. It began with a single mistake. It ended with a fireball and a fatal lesson. All of it captured on video. It was a sunny day at the world-famous Oshkosh Airshow in Wisconsin, where legendary warbirds from World War II were about to take off in tight formation. 2 Corsairs were lined up for a paired takeoff. Ahead of them, 2 Grumman Bearcats. But in a matter of seconds, what was meant to be a graceful display of aviation heritage turned into a fiery wreck. As the lead Corsair roared down the runway at full power, it slammed into the back of a Bearcat that was still sitting stationary on the tarmac. The impact tore the Corsair apart and ignited a massive fireball. The pilot, 54-year-old Laird Ladd Doctor, suffered severe spinal injuries and was left paralyzed from the chest down. Miraculously, the Bearcat pilot escaped unhurt, but it wasn't over. A second Corsair, taking off in formation with the first, suddenly spotted another Bearcat ahead and veered off the runway to avoid a second collision. The aircraft was badly damaged, and that pilot suffered minor injuries. The investigation pointed to poor visibility from the cockpit, lack of coordination, and critical miscommunication with the airshow controllers. It was a brutal reminder that, even on the ground, warbirds demand respect. May 31st, 2015. A formation flight along the Adriatic coastline in central Italy ends in disaster. 2 home-built aircraft, a Vans RV-7 and an RV-8, were performing synchronized aerobatics over the beach at Alba Adriatica. Both aircraft were light, agile, and capable of precision maneuvers. But in a matter of seconds, something went wrong. Witnesses on the ground watched as the 2 planes converged mid-air. The RV-8 was struck in the wing root. It instantly broke apart, spiraling down and crashing into the sea. The pilot was killed on impact. The other aircraft, the RV-7, was badly damaged, but remained flyable. The pilot managed a forced landing directly on the shoreline. The plane flipped upside down as it hit the sand. He survived. The RV series from Vans Aircraft is popular with amateur builders and aerobatic pilots alike. But like all light aircraft, they offer little protection in a high-speed collision. There was no time to react, no warning, just a moment of misalignment and a fatal consequence. Video of the incident shows the violence of the mid-air impact and the narrow margin that separated one pilot's survival from the other's death. Every crash you've seen in this video was real. No simulations, no reenactments. Just raw, documented tragedy. Some were caused by a momentary mistake, others by mechanical limits, or the simple fact that even experienced pilots are human. In each case, the outcome was final, and often irreversible. For those who fly, these aren't just cautionary tales. They're reminders of the discipline, preparation, and respect that aviation demands. Because up there, the margin for error is measured in seconds and meters. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, share it. Not for the shock value, but for the truth behind every crash,